아이고. Guys. Oh, first of all, hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something exciting with me. I got a package from, I guess it's Be Eyes Beauty, but I'm trying to do lash extensions at home. This is not sponsored. I saw this on Instagram ads. I've done lash extensions before, but sometimes I like them and sometimes I don't. I feel like monolid eyes are like a little bit hard to look good. So I'm hoping like this one looks good, but let me show you guys. I even got the lash remover, period. So if I look bad, I could still be rescued. The DIY lash kit. Here are the instructions and I hope it's easy to follow because I'm a little bit nervous about this. Yes. It says 8 inches all the way to 16 inches, which I'm glad that they have the smaller sizes because I don't want to go too full. But a problem with this, especially with monolids, it gets really, really tricky. Like it's hard. So the style that I got is $37.99 and it's supposed to last me for 7 days. Okay. And they really emphasize like how lightweight they are and how easy they are to apply. But the reason why I wanted to do this all of a sudden is because my lashes are not giving. I used to have really long lashes because I was applying the serum, but my eyelids were getting a little bit too dark, so I stopped using the serum. So my lashes got so short, so I started to use falsies, and I'm sick and tired of using falsies every day. Okay, let's start. 16 millimeters literally are so long. The length of the falsies that I like to wear is 10 millimeters. So I'm gonna try to do 10 millimeters. You know what I really don't like though? Having the edges like longer. So I'll probably do like 8, 10, 10, like all around. I hope it doesn't disappear, like please. Okay, before I start, I'm gonna curl my lashes so it doesn't really get on the way. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds. It said little goes a long way. This is low-key shorter than my natural lashes. Hold up. Gently pick the lashes, placing the clusters underneath the natural lashes. 1 to 2 millimeter away from the eyelids. Maybe I could go 12, huh? That does not look cute. 12 was a little bit too long. I don't like it. Can I take it off? Oh, 나온다. Okay, it wasn't dry yet. Okay, I think I have space for like one more, but I barely have any lashes there. Okay, we're good. Period. What do you guys think? I feel like I could have done a little bit better job, but it's my first time. Wow, the glue is actually so strong. After applying the bond, seal the lash on the upper and lower base. Seal with this clear seal. I'm trying to seal the upper side, but there's no space for that. It's all over my eyelid. Is that okay? Guys, look at that. I am not mad at it at all. Is that creepy? I think that's like okay. I don't mind that. I like it. It's so natural. And it's kind of giving me like a double eyelid, like slightly. The eyelashes, like the front and the back, you know how it was like just glued to my lid? It's detaching now. Let's do the other side now. I've never tried this. I only one eye.
Oh, wow, that's actually really good.
Right?
Yeah.
I did it really natural.
It is, yeah. It looks good. Yeah, it looks your lashes.
Good too. It looks like my falsies home. And I look so much better with like no makeup now. Okay. I hope this side comes out much better. Okay, she is up. But when I open my eye, like this one is so much prettier, obviously. I look like a crazy person. But me knowing that this is gonna come down. Let's put on the seal and see how it actually will come out. Excuse me. Can I go through? Thank you. Okay, it looks like I am done. And I do think this side came out much better because it was my second time. So I think on my third time, it'll come out much better too. It looks like pretty natural falsies, but a little bit disorganized because obviously she's not an expert. Applying it didn't take long, but putting the seal and the bond took me a little bit longer. If I become an expert, I think I could do this in like 5 to 7 minutes. I'm like really satisfied with how it turned out. Yeah, it looks like I have makeup on, like, you know what I mean? So natural. I love how they have so many sizes and I thought it was gonna irritate my eyes, but it's actually not. Now I just gotta check how long these are gonna stay. So I will update you guys on my description box. So check it out there. Honestly, I would recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it and it was helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a like. Also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. And I'll see you guys next time.